Get ready to boost your fitness journey with our 10-minute HIIT workout. Designed for all levels, this session is perfect whether you're just starting or pushing your limits. Let's dive in. First up, we're kicking off with jumping jacks. A classic move to get your heart pumping and body warmed up. Aim for 30 seconds at your max intensity. Next, we transition into squats. Focus on form, keep your chest up and back straight as you lower down. This move strengthens your legs and core. Let's hit another 30 seconds. Time to accelerate with high knees. Drive those knees up as high as you can, engaging your core for stability. This is a great cardio push for 30 seconds. Catch your breath, we're moving on to push-ups. Modify by dropping to your knees if needed. This exercise targets your upper body and core. Challenge yourself for 30 seconds. Now brace for burpees, the ultimate total body exercise. Jump, drop to a plank, push up, and leap up again. Give it your all for 30 seconds. We're not done yet. Lunges are next. Step forward and lower your hips, keeping your front knee over your ankle. Alternate legs for 30 seconds, feeling the burn in your thighs and glutes. To wrap up, we'll cool down with a plank. Hold strong and steady, focusing on your breathing. This final 30-second plank will enhance your endurance and core strength. Congratulations! You've completed this intense HIIT circuit. Remember, consistency is key. Repeat this workout regularly and you'll be amazed at your progress. Keep pushing, keep sweating, and most importantly, keep having fun with your fitness journey.